Hey everybody, Curtis here with Rain Harvest Systems. Today we're going to talk about repairing a polyethylene water tank similar to this one. Now, most of your above ground water tanks are all polyethylene, very similar to this. They're usually either green or black. It's the most common of the colors. And what happens is, during shipping usually, they do tend to get damaged. As you can see, this tank's gotten beat up pretty good. It's got some large dents in it. These, of course, are no problem. They'll pop right out as soon as you put water in them. No big deal at all. Some of the other things that happens to them during shipping, and we inform our customers of this quite frequently, but unfortunately it can still happen, is that they can get punctured. And what'll happen there is, as you can see, there's a variety of scuff marks and so forth, but if you look down here, we've got a fairly decent sized gash, and it looks a lot like a forklift fork is probably what happened there, and it's penetrated through the tank, probably about 3 or 4 inches in length. So what we're going to do is use a polyethylene welding kit, and you can go to rainharvest.com, get more information on this, and what we're going to do is we're going to repair this so that it'll obviously not leak and function just as it's supposed to. Like I said, everything else, the dents, those will pop out as soon as you put water in it, and it's good to go. It's fine. So what we'll do is we'll get this going. Now, I've already taken some mild soap and water and washed the area just to get any dirt and debris that may be on it. So I've already done that. So it's basically ready to repair. Now, if you have an older tank that's maybe been out in the sun for a long time, you may have to sand it a little bit. It might have developed a crust on the tank from the sunlight, but this is a brand new tank. It's only a couple of months old, so it's ready to go. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I've already cut a small strip of the reinforcement screen, and what I want to do is, when I'm making the repair, I'm going to use it to help reinforce the repair material, the new plastic that we're going to be using to make the repair. This will help reinforce the whole repair. So got that cut. All we need to do is get going, get the iron plugged in, get it hot, and we're ready to go.
Once you've got the new material bonded to the tank with the screen in place, you're essentially finished. Obviously, it's not always going to look real good. It depends on the severity of the damage to begin with. Obviously, this is a pretty good sized gash, so the finished patch has got a pretty rough look to it. Now, you could sand it down and finish it and make it look better, but as with the rest of the tank, it's similar in appearance to what you have with these polyethylene tanks anyway. So the tank is patched. It will hold water. We'll put water in and test it to make sure, but once it's bonded on there, it really can't leak anyway, so it's as good or better than new. Probably a stronger patch than the tank itself. So with that said, thanks for watching our videos. I'm Curtis with Rain Harvest Systems. Till next time, take care.